Welcome to the world of Cincer. Thank you for your support in making this card game a reality. Let's cover the bases. Cincer is best played with 3 or 4 people. It has 48 cards with the letters I, N, T, A, C. The 5-letter cards are ranked from the weakest to the strongest. I, which is the weakest, and C, which is the strongest. These letters are the letters that make up the word Cincinnati. Don't worry if you can't remember these ranks. The rule book, as well as the back of the card deck, has them laid out for you. The game ends when all cards have been played or folded. The aim of the game is to get as many points as possible or spell out Cincinnati. So let's play! Each player starts the game with 6 cards. In each round, players will make the decision to either play a card or fold a card during their turn. After their turn, each player picks a new card from the deck until the dealer pile is extinguished. In playing a card, each player who chooses to play will play their card face up in turn, moving clockwise. The player who plays the strongest card wins the trick and places the trick into an alternating pile at their side. If no other player chooses to play, the player who alone played a card will still win the trick. Note that a player is not allowed to pass and must either play or fold a card. Each trick won is awarded 1 point. A player who chooses to fold their card is attempting to spell the words Cincy, Natty, or Cincinnati as the game progresses. Spelling out Natty will get you 3 points, Cincy 5 points, and spelling Cincinnati will win you the game no matter how many points other players have. When spelling these words, the cards need to be placed in their fold pile, spelled in the correct order. Players are not allowed to reorganize them, but players are allowed to make multiples of words to rack up points. If a pile is not completed or not spelled correctly, no points will be awarded. Folded and discarded cards cannot go back into a player's hands, and the order of the cards must be as played. Here are some scenarios. If 2 players play 2 of the highest cards, the round will end in a draw and no points will be awarded. Those cards will be discarded and not placed in their trick pile. A point is only awarded when 1 player plays a winning card in that round. So are you ready to play Cincer?